War isn't murder, good men don't die, children don't starve, and all the women survive. War isn't murder, that's what they say when you're fighting the devil. Murder's okay. War isn't murder, they're called casualties. There ain't a veteran with a good night's sleep. Let's talk about dead people. I mean dead people. The dead don't feel honor, they don't feel that brave, they don't feel avenged, they're lucky if they got graves. Call your dead mother, ask her when she died. It's a deathly silence on the other line.
I've been learning piano and I sing soprano, and I can't get you out of my head. Can't look away, can't help but blush. Where did I get this overwhelming crush? It's sharp as a knife and twice the rush. Yo, there's something I think you should know. I've never seen Yuri so tame and chill and still kinda sweaty, and I don't mind cutting to the chase. I'm in love with you and your gorgeous face. That's a sentiment I can't allow, so my dear friend Yuri, it's good enough for now.
Please, please, I didn't mean it, I didn't mean it, I didn't mean it, I didn't mean it. Somebody help! Somebody help!
Then the punches flew and chairs were smashed in two. There was blood and a single gunshot, but just who shot who at the Copacabana?
Yeah, something about when you come from the ground that's so humble and high. 갑자기 왜 그래 먼저 건드려 왜 이리와 포기해 왜? Nothing to us, one of you done it. We come up from sun up to sun up, so come out to play. One in a way, we one in a million. We kill him and really you want it okay. Heels, nails, blade, mascara. Fit checks for my neck pump error. Need to be my face, make it cute and savage. Mirror, mirror on my phone, who's the baddest? Hello. Knocking you out like a lullaby. Hear that sound reading your mind. Better sit down for the show, 'cause I'm gonna show you how it's done, done, done. I'll talk.
Twist your body, twist, twist your body, body, twist your body, twist, twist your body, twist, twist your body, twist, twist your body, body, twist your body, twist, twist your body, body, twist. Shake, shake it up and make it twist.
I want you, like it's like that. Super good, like it's like that. Super good, bounce back, bounce back, bounce back, like it's like that. Bounce back, bounce back, baby. It's so insane, the things we do in the name of love. Whoa, feet on the edge, are you gonna come and save me? I'll take one final step, all you have to do is make me. If you ever walk away, I won't think twice, I'll go bye, bye, bye. 'Cause even though that hurts me, baby, I'm in love with the way you hate me. Love you forever, don't let go of me. I'll die if I wither in your memory. Glemdu mig aldrig då jag helt flyr. Glemdu mig aldrig, älskar mig.
I fucking hate when you leave. I'm someone that's afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad, I know, yeah. I'm sad, I know, yeah.
As sly as a fox, as strong as an ox, as fast as a hare, as brave as a bear, as free as a bird, as neat as a word, as quiet as a mouse, as big as a house, as mean as a wolf, as sharp as a tooth, as deep as a bite, as dark as the night, as sweet as a song, as right as a wrong, as long as a road, as ugly as a toad, as pretty as a picture hanging from a fixture, strong like a family, strong as I wanna be, bright as day, as light as a plane, as hard as nails, as grand as a whale, as warm as the sun, as silly as fun, as cool as a tree, as scary as the sea, as hot as fire, cold as ice, sweet as sugar and everything nice, as old as time, as straight as a line, as royal as a queen, as buzzed as a bee, as stealth as a tiger, smooth as a glider, pure as a melody, pure as I wanna be.
Soldier boy, oh my little soldier boy, I'll be true to you.
I find the stranger in you. I find the stranger in you. I find.
그런 반전 있는 여자 너는 선어해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선어해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선어해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선어해 그런 선어해.
I will have this stream periodically until I meet all of the strangers one by one, introducing them all to each other until we are a close group of friends. I will set these events in motion and I will die. But today, in the warm light of the sunset, I don't see it. I just see the sunset. I smile back and shake my head. I have absolutely no idea. I am afraid.
Wait a minute, what did I just say? I couldn't care less either way, but in the moment I just screamed something that I did not believe. Hey, don't do it, please. I want you to. I can't stop this girl. Oh, this is new. For once I think I've bitten off more than I can chew. But even so, please just go away so I can see her pitiful expression. It's just too much for me. I guess today is just not my day. She looked away from me and then she disappeared.
I don't know how I lost you. I don't know what happened. But one thing for sure is I still yearn for that feeling. I yearn for you. My heart aches for you. It physically beats me.
Unlike me, bitch tryna ride on my bed like a Mustang. See ya. I got a watch on my wrist, is a bust down. See ya. I'm tryna hop on a flight out of town. See ya. But I sent my baby to bring her around. See ya. Together we will guarantee
I'll make this happy.
they can trust me. I'll save my home and family.
Now the lights in the sand and our moments at hand. And I'm ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Ready as I'll ever be.
Alexander,
I have to leave.
Alexander,
Look around at how lucky we are to be alive right now.
Helpless.
They are asking me to leave.
Look around. Isn't this enough? He will never be satisfied. He will never be satisfied.
History away my shot. I am not throwing away my shot. I am Alexander Hamilton, just you wait. I am not throwing away my shot.
Rockin' out like heavy metal. They tell me, you got to show me. They think they know me, feeling really like a cop. They tell me, you got to show me. They think they know me, feeling really like a cop.
You have no control. Who lives, who dies, who tells your story? I know that we can win. I know that greatness lies in you. But remember, from here on in, history has its eyes on you. History has its eyes on you. Gonna get your eyes hurt.
And I be like, yeah, it's motherfucker, do you when you
Gonna get your eyes hurt.
And I be like, yeah, it's motherfucker, do you when you
Gonna get your eyes hurt.
And I be like, yeah.
I think that I like you, yeah, but something bugs me about the way you lick your envelope. So I'm out on the block again, so popped up that I can't pretend. Stay friends, problem that you can't stand.